Look, my Daddy Motors Lanford. I'd just like to show you our 211 Corolla. This is a hybrid Luna Sport model in dual tone, black roof over pearl red. Comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, alloy wheels, bodywork in super condition, front fogs, LED headlights. This car is taxed and tested at the end of April with road tax of $190 a year and tested until January 27. Loads of tests. Very spacious boot, protective mat, reverse camera, so here in the back we have half leather interior with isofix seats, loads of legroom in the back of this car, electric windows in the back, cup holders and door guards. Center armrest, cup holders, and so up front we have automatic transmission, center armrest with pocket and cup holders, USB and auxiliary ports, touchscreen radio with reverse camera, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual climate control, multifunction steering wheel with pre-collision alert, lane assist, cruise control. And this car is covered kilometers of 98,000. Service history. Automatic wipers, automatic headlights. So that's our 211 Corolla Hybrid Luna Sport 2021. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.